On the way to the Sea Line and Otter Spotlight, another show. Is this where that funny Spanish guy is? If you know, you know. I don't think he's here. He's usually hanging out right here, messing around with people. It's pretty funny. Doesn't look like he's here today. But look at the little stage. It's cool. Oh, there's a vending machine. How do you get to that vending machine? I'm hungry. That was a nice little break from rides and eating. Got to see the SeaWorld Sea Line and Otter show. Very funny. There's a mime there. He's guy's hilarious. He's all over YouTube. I'm sure you guys have seen him if you watch the YouTube shorts quite a bit. He's on there all the time. All right, we still have some more of these stamps. We have to eat 2 more things before dinner. The Indian food. Here's the menu for the Indian. Don't know much about Indian food at all. Asian market here. We got a nice menu here. And my daughter's gonna get the deep fried dumplings. Oh man, these guys got some good options. You got dessert coming up soon too. This salted, caramel salted ice cream sounds really good. Maybe consider that for one of the dessert options. All right, my daughter chose the dumplings. These look delicious. German market, time for dessert. My daughter's gonna get a chocolate covered pretzel if they have them. And here's your options for the German stand. Here is the chocolate covered pretzel, and this thing is enormous. Normally it comes with sprinkles there and sprinkles. This is seriously like a foot long. I don't think anyone can eat one of these by themselves, but I could be wrong. It looks very, very messy. Cut this pretzel apart. I don't think one person can eat this whole thing. It's very big. Let's see if it's any good though. Bon appetit. It's all right. This would not have been my pick. This is my daughter's pick, so it's something that she's going to enjoy more than I am. I'm not really a pretzel person. I would have got some ice cream, but not bad. Hey! Found 2 markets right next to each other. Gulf Coast Market. Didn't really see anything that I like, but you never know, you guys might like something here, so I'll go ahead and show you guys the menu. There you go, there's your menu. Those banana Foster baguettes might be good. And then we got a Mexican market right next to it. Let's see what we got over here. Look at that little, I don't know how to say it, dulce leche mini cake. Oh, the little, it looks like a rice bowl maybe? Looks pretty good. Oh, Mexican street corn. Oh my God, look at this. This looks good.
Next line.
Delicious. Look at all the flamingo boats. You gotta paddle them. I love flamingos. Decided to go back to the Mediterranean market. Going for the lamb again. All right, got another lamb with the potatoes, and then also got a baklava. Look good. So I'm super excited at both of these. And let's go. We're gonna go see Shamu. Now stuff from a second portion of lamb chops and also the baklava, both very good. We're looking for the river rapid ride now. That should be fun. We're gonna get soaking wet while it's still semi-early. Well, that wasn't too far. Infinity Falls. This is crazy. Not a chance of not getting wet on this one. I've never seen a river raft ride quite like this one. Very unique. There it goes. This is weird. Looks fun. There we go, Infinity Falls.
No.
Oh boy. Oh, get wet already. I just got so big, my mouth was open. I wasn't thirsty, and my shoes are soaked. My shoes are totally soaked. My shoes are totally soaked. Look at this. There's water in our boat.
We're sinking.
Oh.
Yeah, we are sinking.
It's hot here in Florida, but I'm freezing now. Woo!
That's the most.
I just got wet again. You are not going on this ride without getting wet.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Some kind of robot. Some kind of robot.
Who's going? Who's going down?
Oh.
No.
Looks like we're going down first. What is this?
That's messed up.
This is what? It just doesn't like rotate.
Doesn't like it.
We were all set, and the whole entire car rotated. Now we're going up. Oh my! I've never been on a ride like this.
Oh,
Oh my god.
I don't know how well the video came out of the GoPro on the ride in Infinity Falls, but I can tell you guys my shoes and my socks, my boxer shorts, my khaki shorts, my t-shirt, and even my beep are soaking wet. So yeah, you will get wet on this ride. We got drenched. It was cool. There was like an elevator on there, and it just rose you up to the top of the falls, and for some unnecessary reason it turned us, and that's what got me soaking wet. Cool ride. Yeah, this is part of what did it right here. Just part. Here we are at Mako, Orlando's tallest and fastest roller coaster, made by B&M, one of my favorite coaster companies. This tops out at top speed of 73 miles an hour at a height of height is 200 feet. That's not bad. It's got a long track too, 4,700 feet, 4,760 to be exact. Let's go on Mako. On the peak. Oh boy, here's the rough part. Oh! You know, that reminded me of something else. That reminded me at Six Flags Great Adventure, a lot of nitro, which I think is also a B&M coaster, but similar but different. But very good ride, very smooth, same restraints. Better get Mako. You should go on it. We are making our way over to the Pipeline SurfCoaster, the world's only surf coaster built by B&M. Max speed 60 miles an hour. This opened just last year in 2023, and as of right this moment, this is currently the park's newest coaster until Penguin Trek opens up later this year in 2024. pipeline got me. What I mean by that is, very embarrassed to say this, but I will admit it. Man, that ride sensation right at the end, I just said I felt like I was going to throw up. And then like a minute later, I threw up. Unfortunately, still on the coaster. It was pretty gross. Didn't get any on me, but I felt really bad and I felt really embarrassed. And, you know, obviously told the ride attendant, so, you know, they knew as well and they took care of it. But, yeah, not a bad ride. Weird sensation of standing up. But, I don't know. I just, I don't even know what to say. Well, I almost made it through all the coasters. We're gonna skip the last one. It's probably not the best idea to go on anymore. I went back to the bathroom and I wasn't feeling good. Throw up a couple more times. And yeah, I think it's something between the heat, not being hydrated, and also the sensation I got from being that floorless roller coaster or stand-up roller coaster. It was just a weird sensation. So I'm gonna skip the last coasters. Kind of sucks, but this is what happens. Started feeling slightly better. Decided to get the salted caramel ice cream. Hoping this will help me soothe my throat. Maybe a bad idea. Not positive. Well, everybody, our day has come to an end here at SeaWorld. I hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure. I had a lot of fun. Didn't feel good, but we made the best of the day here at SeaWorld Orlando. If you like this video, I appreciate you subscribing. Hit the like button and share the video, and helps to get the word out there. Until next time, guys, I am the Germ. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.